Grandpa say, Yakupon a friend, many are called to be a court,
to be a court, but
you,
Nipan Casano, a Christopher, Mammy can say Christopher, a problem, man. A Christo Nin Yamia Samupa. O Christo Nin monocrane pan, but obey us, wording, up or falling into temptation. That's one problem of Christianity and our children of God.
For my mama, aquaba eba too much GHFD as so. Me didn't na ama obusa ni different na trending issues no me de best so many TJ brain niti emu elsem. Honor Kennedy Japan akasa na papa no saga na eno wogina so akasa ensmp waka ensmp e da to abonten na wo twi Tracy Boache ene Miss Boy nim efa papa no saga no aboglo aka me so edi won se na wo oba wo tora wo se evangelist wasakra ne nti obi asakra sei na nusubanti ana we bisa opa che se Ghana ha enya Gloria Kani ene ba abonten be address issue no kobo former president John Dramani Mahama edi wo ma obi abadwen mba so wono ene papa no enu nti ono enu akotwetwe asem edi abeto yewra John Dramani Mahama edi no nti be ya onya class okeka de ato no so se wono Yakopon na afren na wasakra za asem no card wo mpempo na wetie na ebuza for asem me ebi wo mi twa mo edi aba na me ba me de be ma mo. Mama aqua bastro could be ever too much GHFD as so it may quite boy chidom ema ye de adwuma de ebremo eye Mama Juliet Ventures mama no needing what dance be mama no upon home modern pa kitchen appliances they would say would them living room or bedroom Sanya mani nya wo de wo pe abefo de emu chia wa chese ne bro eda for mu pa dia na Mama Juliet Ventures and be say djuma no e dia ma nti fa ne number no e wa se o anase pe ne chia kwan e wo abekala pass no sort out ni true fin so eso ya say ni true fin ye djuma e wo dan so bo se wo bo dan so wo ye ceiling a wo pese enche na chese endi mu ni page no enche chese wo so bi wa otumi body ceiling Ubekwaba within 5 years na I just say arrested crab but need to fin dear. Me do what that said that just one put down so at the mouth dear. And when he has over paintibium, and when he has saying so ta over baby yes one I said to say and Bible be a nature just some be in hope. One more boss on 9 need to work no my amount fear be now roofing no that's why I'm not sure and until the news roofing for HR pine for number no from Winners Aluminium Limited so ebo ye chidom one more a glass louvers a BM so no windows slide doors and a keka on for jumem enu fie and no so more bomb modern pa e wo modjuma mo ye wonti fra almost so e wo mo number no so me guest any day Miss Mercy Cow any a BM so no Mr. Richardson abia for Mr. Richardson no kwaba Miss Mercy
Yes, dear.
hey oh boy any day you try looky cry we have a cool.
Yami adom dancer.
Nso nyame atom me hu ye. That's why papa no so. Papa no. Esi ano na issue no papa no. Na papa no. Esi ano adali blame game obi abo we echi se wo na kofa papa no ba ye. Wonti na papa no be ba asem no mu. Na Honorable Kennedy Japan so na no atum e so bo ne bo Gloria Kani se wo no e ne ko bo former president JM Edin John Dramani Mahama din man for any ban no so say wono na papa no nti enunti saa de no ye no e ba boy ti be kan SMP sa bo ni din nti ono Yakopon emfer yenso enim say Gloria Kani so say o evangelist nti say obi enu asem a wo kan obi secret bi a wonim na ebufa ba na te se you push no aka se no te se no nti onfiri nyame ana we ma fa sha se wo so
yo mi dia ba da wa say mena makonya so echia too much etie for ne ahwefo nyina say de bi omuje brehwe ye ndu so nhwe ye na mgidi se nyame so ebe hwe mo bebre mi dia ba honorable one we feeling it too Martin mi dia ba honorable asomo da betu je honorable yo bia me dem gu ne pa because the bia we do no enye easy the bia na nyame adom ode na bedu we do echiwe na aya na no so okasa me ye sure say bebre esum na so honorable ni oka ye die wakamo na emu ubisa me madwen a menene nya adwen kakra say o see em free Gloria nyame friend ye hwe wonu say nipa ye nipa
eno correct
Bible kra Yesu Kristo kra confirm ye oni nipa nti wanfa ne ho anye den antu nipa so wakoye nipa ne de imperfections wo ho ontimi ye excellent the only excellent person nyame ye ka excellence ye fa nipa bia to excellence the trauma so na because of dia baby anyame pedi omadu ba excellence ankasa ye din ye ka perfection nyankopon ko ano ye the only perfect God and the only holy God enti honorable kasa wo ni refi no kakra because wo ni refi say Gloria no ye nipa or atinka or feelings otimi disobedient genti me kasa otimi disobedient because obi biara nyame afre ni bia or ye nipa unction no na man here it makes the difference and the grace on them makes them the difference aside that no or when nipa weakness eba obi we betimi aba say Gloria dey ye bufuo only self control when it comes to that and when it comes to say nyame afro obi asem nyame asem bia ya efri onipa no servant of God and nipa na nyame afre no sa asem ne koma nipa no asem no nyame de manipa no enti nipa na echa asem ni na no ono ofa ne de ewum enti Gloria ba out be ka say repent ebia ja brabo we ja we wakomu pen nyame kra na ni ono kasa ena ono hu sa asem na nyame ka kire no na no krenti mi so mi ni obi mbeche no hu sa no kra asem ni ni enti obi kenya me asem no nkire so ye perfect ana say ontimi enko on contrary to nyame asem no that makes the person human being that makes the person have weakness but obi eyan won say the difference obi enyame afre na na so nyame ba ne say oye disobedient mpa won konkon dan ne ka enti onya inuhu bi esa ba out sira body fache enye sa onipa bi atumi e bibia but the difference is inuhu na ya wonya no inuhu no because won ko ba be prompt we say why you say wanye ni ye me sure say the weakness na man yes because anka so timi control ne ho and na Bible so akasa on about perception they can say by their fruit you shall know them but knowing them by their fruit it will not be excellence at least that's why the word said we've all sinned and fallen short before the glory of God meaning we can fall short it doesn't matter see Bible can say you jina one won hwe ye na wan hwe ase enti ye nua be ya hwe ase be no nche se nyame frɛ ne ye nyame wan frɛ wa ontimi nye o se man frɛ obi ontimi mba me nchen e na me si dan no dance for ne kwati Gloria no ye nipa nyame na di ni si bibi
okay Mr. Hutchison me must have bought you ko sa Gloria kani so be oba ponte ebufuom se Tracy akoka ni nti onu so ba be church nsem koka okoka ya bo papa no din se former president John Dramani Mahama no eno nti won finya no ode ona bo yake
okay mama di kan share too much ahwefo na mi chia then life see you ba ko pe okay the ona bo aka no ono so atwe na adwene ona bo so kasa wo follow sinti amon follow na etie but Bible no say many are called but few are chosen. Me meet now if you so and condemn Gloria Kina Honestly, yeah, sorry, on Gloria, can you meet now condemn because sorry whether if you think I'm free, you know, we know Yakubu afraid na.
Okay.
You know, would you was here?
Okay.
What I say, Yakubu afraid na to be a would you was here.
So all right. What silence we crown pose Yakubu afraid na many accord to be a record.
To be a record but
you
Mami bremu wa nipa nkasa no a Christopher mami can say Christopher your problem anu. A Christo ni nyame asem pa. O Christo ni mono krane pa. But obey aswoden akwa fall into temptation. That's one problem of Christianity and children of God. Aswoden no enye se nyame afrewe but we aswoden so dia ubegu nwani mu ase. Ama afoforo be hu because amu say can ye dia yen fence share eyi ase ye di see people so mo bia e say nti wa babo na say e dey di say nyame so wo mu but ye aswodinfo ye di ya ho na mechi ye di enyoma ye di eni hu echi ye di yakomechi enu bi na glory oyeye odi na kumechi enu di anyame asem onim ojan no kra onim forgiveness awatini na oja to wo ena obeye na eti say honorable kasa akere na honorable come blame me bebre because osim mo musune mo ban no say dey dey kire nyame su eti say wenti ba honorable referee say oye nipa si wo mo eti me blame honorable yeah because Gloria no because you nyame obi a otimi be ka no correct nyame na wo be ka nyame asem ko different forgiveness na wo sua free nyame asem wo sua asa wo de ye
exactly
but I say na wo ka bibi man get question
so many are confused actually no Gloria Kinani wait ma ba say or evangelist me nim no na say na me to on social media but me find out say reason me find out why a lot of videos which I say or evangelist fine but Suba wada ne di no etres on evangelist. Me boss me chairman say if you want loyalty, search for a dog. That means dogs are more loyal in terms of pets. Dogs are more loyal than human beings. It doesn't matter how long or no Gloria no keep it tracing in secret. See, loyalty is loyalty. There are some people who are loyal to the extent say I don't even need permission for you. I'll fight for you. You might hear it later. Maybe I Jimfrau mess you na Martin wants to be a can say I will fight for you without even her knowledge without but better so or rich me so different thank you any friend loyalty sorry dear trace
even after you have been betrayed
exactly
okay
the which say trace me and me say mama will be all there are people who are loyal to their party they can just come without the knowledge of their flag and other things Tracy can say trace our can't Gloria one same bibisa now Gloria and Ufi say this is a song Gloria and also true say or mature and that's why then or evangelist into or the obet we are can obey you so obet and say we are I'm no more the person I used to be not I think said all those four so-called celebrities so they are friends within their friends and even in the NDC party. So you see talking Mizzle has showed some maturity aspect but we are talking about Gloria we'll see you've kept Tracy in Sam for 4 years without even bringing it out so why now and why even on the social media you claim you are an evangelist saving soul winning soul so that means you always motivate people and then try to change the people through so why didn't you call your friend Tracy and say why you say me say I don't know jai now me quite won't say me rank but if see you can keep someone's words for thousands of years once you bring it out it's no you get exactly
you have not done anything
no it doesn't and first they not and they true but it's the same thing I say it's me keep one self for voice and America among from far penny from your body list in our what have you done you've done nothing
baby ma Gloria never out and say once a Tracy be make a comment be said we are madam for no be fraud said to me for member cash and chem na wo feed me well, enti was a man in that for 49 disappointed the class a woman and indirectly no to say no kasa only Gloria na kasa because Gloria you could see say she was so close with Tracy Boache enti bibi na epusu na bonu ke so jida bia nyame di na begina no aduma nyame aye no and sesanka or ye disobedient.
About
Out in no.
But
She could have done it in a more matured way.
Okay, but
as you were saying, so be fair because what most when in terms of call.
Okay, Kakra. But can't you settle your past issues even when you have changed and become a new creation? Because issues were from what a year ago you can see that Tracy Pacha never be bra. She couldn't forget and forgive because now she was not expecting that somebody was to be my friend should do this to me. After being tempted and what in some man, she was thinking that she was with her friend, but instead she was destroying her behind the back. And if don't think that she needed to settle it or take it off her chest, be fully free after being converted.
Exactly. As same Biaba Nipa Neka. So see our generation now. Biaba social media. Social media, who is the social media there? Social media, you dirty yourself there. Why do you have to wash your dirty clothes outside for people to see? Once you have a room or kitchen washroom, you can wash your dirty clothes for people not to see. Social media, if you share, and these generations, most of us have lost it because what do you call social media? What next? I think I'm not saying a question or say if we are seeing that and if we the social media follow if we watch and see what are we going to tell you. Share Tracy and be an insult to social media. It's rather insult or point to her and the family and the mother. It's what did he get by doing a live video and all those things. You understand? Into would do some qua miss on upon car Tracy and I wasn't expecting Tracy to over respond to cry. She has done harm to her, so why do you have to even respond? Because we were patron and there was some video my last video net my last video so how many times I said this is my last video? And then I'm sure and bra said the Uba Sumba wants to apply soon. At the social media people they are doing the more important than when you born baby now go and breastfeed your baby. I would not say apply for being question. Once we have video now we hear that say apply to background we have video that share wine who needs your video.
On that note, don't you think that Tracy Pacha is having a problem? Like it might be either spiritual or maybe emotional. And I say maybe once after birth, there's something like I've forgotten the name, but after birth depression. There's something like that after birth depression that a mother after giving birth, she feels like she needs to get things off her chest, like she needs to come out and say things. Don't you think there's something like that?
And why they do on because now no one talks good about you. Everyone keeps on bashing you everywhere. Everyone keeps on bashing you. She's running against her own shadow. She's running from her own shadow, and whenever you go, your shadow keeps on following you.
Oh, okay. So it's not anything about depression.
Oh, and yes, soon be say, Papa, we are opening up a baby on in talk. Car in diamond. So soon go on Malasanka. I say no. Or not more in she's running after the own shadow. Younger like you, there are people all over the world. Mosa will be a truth say. Don't respond to critics on by making live videos and comments about whoever. Oh, Mate, I actually know saying you one day, so I feel not in the balance on spirit behind you. No, we shouldn't give credit to any spirits.
Okay.
Yeah, we shouldn't give credit to any spirits.
Back to you. And
Tracy Abroso.
Okay, and when you're born to Gloria Kani, so mistakes that we make. So now can I say maybe before the moment as to coming back to apologize that this settle or blocked out all the mistakes that she has done. So I'll buy apologize back no. This not prepare a mistake now. Okay.
Nyamesum no. Enye open na odi na mo bie.
Okay.
Until the ni page. We di ni page no. Obone de de be che na mu aketua ne de se woje. Enu bi na ye de mema no. Self condemnation on free nyame obeti bebre.
Okay.
Because otie no kwete nyame ne a anka menye sure say obi benya ne ho asem na onwa bra be ka say on free nyame ane nyame frɛ ne ye. It is wenu ne ho oda betu jase menum baby be dia to maybe muso do ma dwen die omo be ka kire wa kopem dem be fi atase patase.
Exactly.
Aketua no so omo no pe e na wantie wa ma no kramboa no ana wa menya mi su ati ne mu endi hene e na ode ne pe ebeye no ye wo de wo pa beye wie wo de wo pa be pacho we wie na so bi so pen ono so ekura no o de hu adwen o dwen no eno de wo be so ultimi escape
no cresa
Exactly.
Mr. Richardson for final words etudwa
Instead of Kennedy, Honorable Kennedy can say, there are two things involved now. Okay, yeah.
we don't know basket mask
Yeah, we wait mark as I'm part of
exactly
Obia Ofinya what preach you say no way. Only an artist now met to explain here or any nipa so for you for no nipa. They can fall short at any time, but Gloria no any excuse. She should have just avoided it. What I say, she could have either chose to respond or choose to let go.
Okay.
And letting go shows maturity, and then the burden doesn't come on you. But right now, no, she has spoken, and the burden is upon her. So it's time for her to lift that burden off, and she has done it by apologizing. Obekwa himfe, oh nana, me pacho me nye biom. Nana dia cho. Na wasa, ti se na Yakobon say, ebe se Yakobon Boniface say, but how long? Now where is I no? O didn't lay mu say so was satra. Now she's no more what she used to do now. O didn't lay mu.
okay
O didn't lay mu. I apologize me. I mean they say she has shown maturity by apologizing and then big out to her wherever she is. But then Uncle Swan on follow the way, you know.
okay final words for today
okay me final word we come Gloria say nyame so me easy mema wa be mumbu wodi wa komechi nti sanso anso ya wo betete nketenkete e no de e beba nemo gina pintin if say rade say wa frɛ wa mpa no wa bo di na wa frɛ wo enti say wo ma wa komatutu temptation wo ho temptation ni bi na aba enti endure it na after that no enyonyam mo hye ebeba ya sofo be na wonti omudin bi da bishop wo obuni so bebre aso bebre wa nyame onkonkon yusu omopa nyame mantle omukrekra wo ga na ayenim emu bishops still yetimi ka so sharing enti ofenti we kra de ninkitu emu nie wa fa sa kwan no so emu atro na so deny yourself and I'm sure God will glorify you at the end. And now Tracy enough Tracy, you've come too far. Hey, akuma be na wo. Self control ni bio. Etuti pin. So obeso so. Share unim what is in silence. At times it's power. Eti Tracy, it's time for you to shut up. Share honorable. Why you indirectly? Disrespect. Who need respect? Which is a one kasa who need respect. Eti Tracy, expect more from others because who here this who just who discipline who you what they say who become one one. Eti you ready? Say Ghana has woman or one no I will timi condemn the pama mutimi committee suicide. They are ready for you.
hey that's too harsh suicide
It's seriously you know you know all attracting all those things to herself.
okay
Yeah, honestly, I'm afraid for her.
She should be careful.
I'm afraid for her.
It's not a matter of death. It's a matter of that good name. She will never get it again.
No.
And people will be insulting you. So how long can you take that? And you are someone out to control with temper. So all the time it's like you come out to respond to whatever comment people make. So she should be ready.
Ebusia for several e ga dey gina so a enne e baby enti e be si ha na ye dey si no won so obetime de wadwenche fa akoma ya tutu ma ase no atudwa e wo ye comment section na bomo dia so share e huhia pa e futo bebre e na menwana mu obeje gu onti obi tutie bia obetime fa bi e de atunu kotodwe mu e de abobra nti share video we and access subscribers I want subscribers say too much there say the din ACT no sa so e le ejuma esifa e ma onyema nia no too much na busuafo ene dey aha ene dey ebesini edi si no so make I will say video we pomodia share uhwe wi ase na eye Mr. Richardson NMS Medical omoje futo bebre no e dey gumu no wo sha wo bi so wo hwe no nso benya bi no dey atu ko todwem e dey abobra obi aboabo no wonte wo so bu obi na share video no e fama no onim say too much GH dey say na edi no ACT no sa so na ye adwuma ACT5 edi na bebra mu na mo nso metimi enye bi na me ka ne sa no obetimi so follow yen e we Instagram page no @tumaGH_ e ma refisa wo so betimi a chewa dream e wo your comment section neti fa de channel e beto ho me din edit nana ama owusu me name Mr. Richardson NMS Medical ene yesin konyonya me adoma ye besan edi enhyimu be makram
Prophet Kum Chacha. On se me catch was say, Bomoden na hwe too much GH. On se me kan ye nyane bɔne paa ne kɛse epe wo wiase yɛ asɔnden asɔnden ti na Adam wɔn hu nyame yɛ no mu nyame no wɔn hu nneɛma bi a wɔhwehwɛ ɛwɔ other place ne adeɛ kate wɔn na bɔmɔden na bɛhwɛ too much GH bɛhwɛ na subscribe bɔmɔden o bɛhwɛ pɛ na wayɛ subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wobɛnya nneɛma pɛ a wopɛ nneɛma papa a wopɛ ahwɛ nyame hyira